pushing it down his body.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, check that out. Holy shit. Holy shit, man.
Oh, I can't zoom on video.
Holy shit, look at it move
Why
down
can't
his
I
body. Oh my god, man. That was intense. That was intense. See if he goes back to that hole we found.
Fucker. Oops. Shouldn't have said that on camera.
I cannot believe that, man.
The whole way over there?
Well, no, remember we found two holes behind
I
there by
didn't
the
see
wall?
the other one.
Yeah, there's two over there.
Which one did you cover up?
The first one. There's
The one
another
over
one.
there?
Yeah, there's two by the water spigot. That was wicked bad. What do you think he ate?
I don't know what that white thing was.
That was wild, man. Maybe it's something like the lawnmower chopped up.
Yeah.
I don't know.